Pour coffee into Coca-Cola. This mix works surprisingly well and delivers an unexpected result. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric and carbonic acids, which have remarkable cleaning properties. Instant coffee has natural oils, a strong aroma, and a texture that affects how it blends with other ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee to a bottle of cola. Shake gently to combine, then pour the mixture into a larger bowl. Add another 3 tablespoons of instant coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. This ingredient plays an important role too. It acts as a natural abrasive. Prepare some dish soap as well. Dish soap effectively cuts through grease and grime. Add 1 tablespoon to the bowl. Take an empty cola bottle and carefully make a small hole in the cap. Using a funnel, pour the finished mixture back into the bottle. This homemade cleaner is great for washing dishes or scrubbing a dirty sink. Just pour a little onto the surface, scrub with a sponge, and rinse with water. Your dishes will be clean, shiny, and fresh. No need for expensive store-bought detergents. Drop these 3 tablets into the sink, and even a plumber will be surprised. The clog will dissolve faster than sugar in tea. Take 3 tablets and crush them into a fine powder. Thanks to the acetylsalicylic acid they contain, they help remove dirt and blockages. Ordinary aspirin combined with other products becomes a powerful grease and grime remover. Pour the powder directly into the drain. Now it's time for vinegar. Pour in 1 tablespoon and let them work together. Vinegar acts as a natural solvent. Finally, pour warm water and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the aspirin and vinegar will do all the work for you. They will soften grease, dissolve deposits, and unblock the flow. After 30 minutes, rinse everything with running water. The sink will regain full flow. No harsh chemicals and no need to call a specialist. Unpleasant odors disappear, and you can enjoy cleanliness and freshness. Safe for pipes and for you. Do this in the evening before bed. You'll be surprised at what you can avoid because of it. Take an orange. Cut a slice about 1 centimeter thick. Then place the citrus in the drain. Sprinkle some cinnamon on the orange. Pour hot water over it. Push a sink plug through it and close the drain for the entire night. This will repel earwigs and eliminate unpleasant odors from the drain. Earwigs are mostly active at night and often hide in small, damp crevices during the day, becoming active at night when they search for food scraps. Use the citrus plug trick, and additionally, you'll get rid of bad smells and disinfect the drain. Cinnamon and orange are natural ingredients with strong antibacterial and refreshing properties, making them ideal for disinfecting the sink. The essential oils from the orange help fight bacteria, while cinnamon has antifungal properties, effectively eliminating unpleasant odors. Unclog your sink in minutes. I'll show you how to clear the drain using something you probably already have at home. A clogged sink can happen easily when hair or debris gets into the drain. Go to your cleaning supplies cabinet and grab a spray bottle. You'll also need gloves. Open the bottle and remove the spray nozzle with its tube. This is the key to the trick. Using a utility knife, make a few small cuts along the tube, shaping them like a Christmas tree pattern. Put on your gloves and insert the nozzle tube into the drain. Move it around a little, adjusting its position. Start pressing the nozzle. After a few moments, you'll notice the water beginning to drain. When you pull the tube out, you'll see the debris that was blocking the sink. This simple trick will leave your sink clean and eliminate bad odors. This unclogs the drain better than a machine. Every home needs this green liquid. Once you use it, you'll quickly notice the difference. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 7 ounces of dish soap. Its powerful degreasing properties help dissolve food residues and grease that accumulate in the drain. Next, add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Salt acts as a natural abrasive, helping to remove buildup and bacteria from the pipes. Now pour in 3 ounces of vinegar and mix everything thoroughly. Before pouring the mixture into the sink, remove the strainer. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of baking soda directly into the drain. Baking soda has strong cleaning properties and neutralizes odors. Now pour the prepared mixture into the drain and leave it overnight, so the ingredients have time to break down dirt and disinfect the pipes. In the morning, close the sink and fill it with hot water. Once full, remove the plug. The strong stream of water will flush out any remaining dirt and bacteria, leaving the drain clean and odor-free. Using this method twice a month will keep your pipes clear, and your sink will always smell fresh. Throw an egg into the sink. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. It's a simple and inexpensive way to create a solution that will be useful in the kitchen. Take a bowl and crack an egg into it. Then, using a plastic bottle, separate the egg. The bottle will perfectly extract the yolk, which you can use for other purposes, as this trick only requires the egg white. Next, add a few tablespoons of dish soap to the bowl with the egg white. Mix it thoroughly until it forms a uniform solution. Pour it into the sink. This mixture is a clever use of natural chemical compounds that can work wonders. Wait a moment for the ingredients in the mixture to do their job. Then, watch as your sink gets effectively cleaned. This trick will help eliminate unpleasant odors and potential pests, while quickly cleaning up any residues. Save your sink with a balloon. This simple trick will save you time and money, and it will keep your faucet from needing replacement. All you need is one balloon to create a practical solution. First, take a plastic bottle and carefully cut off the end with a knife. You'll only need the cut-off part, so you can discard the rest of the bottle. Next, unscrew the cap and prepare a candle and a fork. Heat the fork over the candle flame. And once it's hot enough, use it to make small holes in the cap. Now screw the cap with the holes back onto the cut-off part of the bottle. Take a balloon and cut off its top about halfway. Put the balloon's cut end onto the prepared bottle piece. Once everything is set, attach it to the faucet. The water flowing through the holes in the cap will create a more diffused stream that reaches all corners of the sink. With this solution, your sink will be much easier to clean, and without the expensive faucet replacement, you can effectively rinse every corner of your sink and enjoy better functionality in your kitchen. Do you also have a problem with white stains on a black sink? Most people who buy such a sink have no idea how to take care of it. White marks don't come off even after washing with dish soap. But an indispensable solution in such a case turns out to be one inexpensive product. Everyone has it in the kitchen cabinet, and it turns out it should also be next to the sink. Then, white deposits from water will never mar your kitchen. Apply a simple trick, and in a few minutes, you'll get rid of the problem. Here's how to deal with it. Take a bottle of vinegar and pour it into a spray bottle. Then spray the sink surface where there are white spots. Do it thoroughly and generously. Place pieces of paper towel on the damp sink and spray vinegar again. It's important for the paper towels to be completely wet. This way, the vinegar won't evaporate and it will work longer, removing the white spots. Leave the paper for several minutes. In just a few minutes, you'll see that the white marks disappear. After a dozen or so minutes, remove the paper and see the difference. There will be no trace of lime deposits. The black streaks and spots will be a thing of the past, and you can enjoy a perfectly clean black sink. To prevent new white deposits, just spray the sink with vinegar from time to time, and that's it. Good luck.